Hello, very good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to the English 101 UK with your host, Idress Mercy. In this and in the two upcoming videos, we are going to have the auxiliary verbs. Specifically, we are going to have a close look at the most common English auxiliaries. They are the verb to be, to have, and to do. But before that, I would like to have my cuppa first before we start so that I can fully concentrate. Nothing can beat British copper. The auxiliary verbs are also known as helping verbs, and they are used together with a main verb to show the verb tense or to form a question or a negative. Since we won't be able to cover them all in one single episode, therefore, what we are going to do is picking up each single one of them in a single episode on its own. So in this case, I would suggest to begin with the most important one, the verb to be. Basically, the verb to be is used in the following patterns. With a noun, for instance, my cousin is a businessman. Tom is a driver. With an adjective, the film is boring. This lesson is interesting. With the ing form, to make the continuous aspect. For example, we are studying English language. They were jogging in the public park. With prepositional phrase, he is from the city of Bristol. They are from West England. Alright, this is the verb to be in its simple form. However, we write it differently in present tense. So with I, it becomes am, and with you, it becomes are. With he, becomes is, she is, it is, we are, and with they it becomes are. So in affirmative, we would say, I am a teacher. You are students. He is a man. She is a woman. It is a nice day. We are optimistic. They are happy. While in question forms, we place it in front of the pronoun, just like this. Am I a teacher? Are you students? Is he a man? Is she a woman? Is it a nice day? Are we optimistic? Are they happy? Okay, how about the negative form? It's just as the affirmative, but we will just place not in front of the verb to be. And it becomes, I am not a teacher. You are not students. He is not a man. She is not a woman. It is not a nice day. We are not disappointed. They are not angry. Finally, in order to form yes/no questions using the verb to be, we invert the word order of a positive sentence. For instance, instead of saying she is a businesswoman, it would be, is she a businesswoman? And the short answer would be whether yes, she is, or no, she is not. Okay, another one. How about this? He is a hard working. It would be, is he a hard working? And again, a short answer would be whether yes, he is, or no, he is not. How about this? You are from China. Are you from China? Yes, you are, or no, you are not. Your house is far from here. Is your house far from here? Yes, it is, or no, it is not. They are playing football. Are they playing football? Yes, they are, or no, they are not. Right? Okay, let's move on. Dear friends, I'm afraid that we are at the end of this lesson, the auxiliary verbs, part 1. I hope that you find it very easy and very useful as well. Make sure you understand it, and if it's necessary, watch it again and again and again until you feel that you are confident with it. I see you again in the next lesson, which will be about the verb to have. Until then, take care of yourselves. Bye.